Dash cams have come a really long way from those grainy, barely usable novelties of the past. Today, we're diving into this explainer on the DriveEye D7 4K 4-channel dash cam. We're going to break down exactly how this thing works and look at the specific technology that makes it stand out in a seriously crowded market.
Have you ever worried about coming back to your car after a quick grocery run, only to find a mystery dent? Or maybe you stress about false insurance claims or blind spot accidents? Yeah, you are absolutely not alone. We're starting with these specific driving anxieties because, well, that's exactly what sparked DriveEye's founding back in 2017. Their team noticed a really alarming trend in road accidents caused by reckless driving, right alongside a massive surge in fraudulent claims. So they combined their software and hardware expertise to build a system designed to capture undeniable evidence and deter bad actors.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, the need for 360 protection. Second, unpacking the camera tech. Third, smart features and connectivity. And fourth, 24/7 security and value.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the need for 360 protection.
This 4-channel setup is honestly a game changer because it gives you genuine 360-degree monitoring. You're not just looking straight ahead anymore. You've got a complete visual shield all the way around your vehicle. The front and rear cameras, they handle your standard traffic, front-end collisions, and those lovely tailgaters or rear hit-and-runs. But the left and right cameras are what really set this unit apart. They monitor the driver and passengers inside the cabin, while also watching for approaches from the side windows or blind spot impacts. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, manage a fleet, or honestly, if you're just a daily commuter wanting undeniable coverage, this is incredibly practical.
So we know where it's looking. Let's move on to Section 2, unpacking the camera tech. To actually make that 360-degree coverage effective, the D7 utilizes 4 separate lenses, and each one has a massive 150-degree ultra-wide field of view. What's wild here is the resolution. If you're just running the front and rear cameras, you capture in a gorgeous 4K plus 2K dual mode. But even when you demand the absolute maximum from the device and run all 4 channels at the exact same time, it still pushes out full 4K for the front and 1080p for the other 3 cameras. You are getting incredibly high-resolution footage no matter how you configure it.
Now, daytime recording is great, but how a camera handles the dark is arguably way more important, right? The D7 handles this with an f1.8 large aperture, wide dynamic range technology, and 360-degree 6-layer optics. In plain English, these advanced optic sensors balance light exposure perfectly. It ensures reliable, crystal-clear night vision, meaning you won't lose crucial evidence to the glare of oncoming headlights or shadows that are just pitch black just because the sun went down.
And to add a seriously cool layer to that nighttime security, the side cameras can literally see in the dark. Each one is equipped with 4 infrared lights. When you're in a low-light situation, they automatically activate an infrared mode that captures highly detailed black and white video. This is absolutely crucial because it completely eliminates driving blind spots at night and easily grabs vital details like license plates and faces, which are notoriously difficult for standard cameras to pick up. Of course, recording 4 high-definition video streams takes up a lot of space, but you really don't need to stress about it. The D7 manages this seamlessly by including a 128GB microSD card right in the box, and it utilizes smart loop recording. Basically, the second you start your engine, it starts recording. When that card eventually gets full, it automatically overwrites the oldest unneeded footage in 1, 3, or 5-minute blocks. You literally never have to manually delete files. The system effortlessly manages its own storage. Okay, visual capabilities covered. Let's transition to Section 3, smart features and connectivity.
This is where it gets incredibly hands-free. You can actually control the entire device using simple English voice commands. It responds to 13 intuitive prompts. So if you see something crazy happen on the road, you just say, "Take photo" or "Save video," and it instantly locks that file so it won't be overwritten by the loop recording. It's a fantastic safety feature because it keeps your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes safely focused on the road.
The connectivity is also getting a major upgrade here, specifically utilizing a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for local connection to your smartphone.
If you've ever used an older standard dash cam, you know downloading a 4K video over Wi-Fi can be a frustrating, time-consuming chore. But this 5 GHz band transfers data 3 to 5 times faster. It pairs with a free iOS or Android app to seamlessly download evidence right to your phone while you're sitting on the side of the road. Oh, and a quick, very important heads up directly from the manufacturer here. The app is completely free to use, so they advise users not to accidentally activate the unnecessary paid VIP features inside the app. You get everything you need for free.
Alongside that lightning-fast Wi-Fi, there's an advanced built-in GPS module. And to be clear, this isn't for navigation. It's for rock-solid documentation. It accurately logs your exact driving location and your speed directly onto the video file. If you're ever dealing with a speeding ticket controversy or an at-fault dispute, this accurate GPS log is your ultimate defense. And hey, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you prefer a bit more privacy, you can just toggle the GPS feature off at any time.
We also have to talk about the hardware's resilience. Thanks to an upgraded heat sink and some really exceptional heat dissipation technology, it drastically reduces the risk of Wi-Fi drops or recording interruptions because of overheating. In fact, it's rated to withstand extreme temperatures ranging from a freezing -22 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a blistering 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you live in the frozen north or park in a baking summer lot, this camera survives and performs.
All right, finally, let's move to Section 4, 24/7 security and value. Let's see how this thing protects your car when you aren't even inside it.
This is where the 24-hour parking monitor comes in. When your car is turned off and parked, the system remains on standby. If the internal G sensor detects anyone attempting to collide with your car or vandalize it, it instantly wakes up. All 4 cameras light up and record simultaneously, capturing the entire event from every single angle. It is quite literally like having a 24/7 security guard watching your vehicle while you sleep. So what is all this going to cost? Looking at value, the core package comes in at $125.99. For that, you get the 4-channel camera, that generous 128GB memory card, the car charger, and even a little crowbar installation tool to help hide the wires. But here is a super crucial transparent caveat. While it comes ready to plug straight into your cigarette lighter, activating that 24/7 parking monitor requires continuous power when the engine is off. To get that, you have to purchase a separate DriveEye hardwire kit, which plugs into your car's OBD port or fuse box for an additional $39.99. So definitely keep that in mind if parking security is a main priority for you.
You might also notice when you go to set it up that it doesn't use a standard flimsy suction cup mount. Because you have 4 high-tech cameras, heat sinks, and GPS modules crammed into a 300-gram unit, it's larger and heavier than a basic dashcam. To ensure it doesn't just vibrate or fall right off your windshield during a bumpy ride, it uses a highly secure 3M adhesive bracket mount.
DriveEye's stated mission is all about, quote, empowering drivers to navigate with confidence and peace of mind. And honestly, by combining 360-degree coverage, 4K resolution, infrared night vision, and continuous parking monitoring, they are really proving that the D7 is much more than just a fun gadget. It's a seriously comprehensive on-road safety tool.
So, taking all of this in, the reality of 360-degree protection, the sheer clarity of 4-channel recording, and just the wild unpredictability of modern driving, it really makes you wonder. As dashcams get this advanced, will this level of total, unblinking surveillance become the new standard expectation for every single car on the road? Are we heading toward a future where every drive is permanently on the record? Take a hard look at your current vehicle setup. Is it truly securing your peace of mind? Think about it.